Hello YouTube, welcome to my final video on the Azure Security Center. So in this video I'm going to be talking about extendability of Azure Security Center and also its automation capabilities, how it can integrate with the other automation tools. So in these previous videos I gave you an overview of the Security Center and also talked about prevention, detection and defense capabilities that's built into there. So let's get started with the security solution side of things, where it talks about the integration into the other solutions. So yes, first of all, it can natively, Azure Security Center can natively integrate with Azure Active Directory Identity Protection and ATA, which are built-in security solutions within Microsoft Azure and within Microsoft on-premises. So it can also have any non-Azure servers added into the system as well without any issues, and it can integrate with virtual appliances that are actually available within the Azure environments or the marketplace. They can natively integrate with the Azure Security Center, feeding alerts and log information into that. Then we have the common event format, which most of the solutions, most of the third-party security solutions, they support of exporting data into a common event format, and Azure Security Center can import data from common event format, which is CEF. So those are the partner solutions capabilities and how it can integrate with other solutions. So next is what I wanted to show you, how it can integrate with identity and access. So if you have an on-premises identity environment, which is Active Directory, it can natively look at that environment, and then it can highlight you or give you a summary highlight if there's any critical activities happening. So here I have feeding some information from domain controllers into this workspace, and it's showing me all of a summary, like how many accounts that logged into this environment and etc., all feeding into that OMS workspace. So if there's any failed attempts or suspicious activities, like password reset changes and any critical activities, that will highlight in here. So that's identity and access section for you. Next up we have is the security alerts. So we can we discussed about the security alerts in the previous video, but we can also create custom security alerts in here. So you can create like if you know a search query on log analytics, then you can put that search query in here, and then you can create a threshold of number of events that you see in the log analytics. If it's greater than 5, then create an alert kind of thing. So you can create your own custom rules, and then you can create those in here. So this is one of the examples I have created. So more than 5 failed attempt logins, then I create these alerts. So I look for login attempts on this server, and then if there's more than 5 login attempts, then I want to be alerted to see, because this is a sensitive application that I have. Next up is the automation piece of things. So Azure Security Center natively supports logic apps, which can be integrated. Logic app has connectors for many numerous things, like numerous applications. So if you have integration with logic apps, then you can do various of workflows, to be honest. So I have created a test logic app here, and I have what I can do, I can start up with a blank logic app, and then what you can do is you can add Azure Security Center as a trigger. And then what will happen is, if there's an alert triggered on your security center, then it will trigger a logic app, and then you can do whatever the conditions you want, and then you can do like service ticket opening and etc., or emailing application owners and etc. So limit is yours, and you can do numerous things with the logic app integration. So if I look for Azure Security, then I can see there's a trigger from the Azure Security Center. So when a response to an Azure Security Center alert is triggered, that's the trigger in my Logic app, and then I can add, let's search like ServiceNow. If I have ServiceNow, then what I want is I want a ticket opened on ServiceNow. So I'm going to say ServiceNow create a record, and I'm providing this information from the Security Center, etc. Also, you like this, you can email based on a criteria. You define the criteria on the Logic app, and then you trigger an email to the application owner as well. So there's a lot of opportunity in there. You can customize the way how you want to handle the trigger with the Logic apps. So that's in a high level way that we covered all the features available in the Security Center. So yeah, please go, if you haven't watched my other videos, please go ahead and have a look at the overview on how you configure prevention capabilities, detection capabilities, and also defense capabilities within the Azure Security Center. Have a look at them, and if you have any feedback for me, let me know, and yeah, I'll continue to improve in the next videos. Thank you very much.